everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some country cottage inspired home decoration ideas. Let's take a look. Here's a beautiful guide to country cottage inspired home decor, a style that feels welcoming, cozy, and timelessly charming. It blends rustic warmth with soft colors, vintage touches, and thoughtful details that make every space feel lived in and loved. Add seasonal charm. Change small decor items with seasons. Flowers in spring, cozy throws in winter, pumpkins in autumn. Use handmade items. Crochet pieces, handmade pottery, wooden crafts, or DIY decor fit perfectly with this style. Keep it simple and lived in. Avoid overstyling. A little imperfection makes nice place feel warm and welcoming. Decorate walls gently. Hang botanical prints, landscape art, mirrors with wooden frames, or handmade wall decor. Choose soft lighting. Use table lamps, fabric lampshades, fairy lights, or candle lanterns for a cozy glow. Mix old and new. Combine modern comfort with vintage charm. Don't worry about everything matching perfectly. Bring nature indoors. Add potted plants, herbs, dried flowers, or branches to give a fresh country look. Use open baskets. Baskets are perfect for storage and decoration. Use them for blankets, plants, or magazines. Display open shelves. Use open shelves to show plates, teacups, chairs, cookbooks, or handmade pottery. Decorate with vintage pieces. Include old clocks, animal jugs, antique frames, metal trays, or rustic baskets for character. Use soft patterns together. Mix florals, tiny checks, stripes, and subtle prints, but keep them in the same color family for harmony. Choose curved and gentle shapes. Look for furniture and decor with soft edges, round tables, spindle chairs, curved mirrors, and arched shelves. Decorate with crockery. Display vintage plates, teacups, bowls, and pitchers on open shelves or walls for a classic cottage feel. Add painted furniture. Lightly painted furniture in white, shades, belly blue, or cream adds softness and charm. Use glass or ceramic jars. Store dry goods, flowers, or fairy lights in glass jars for a simple cottage look. Keep windows light and airy. Choose sheer cotton, lace, or linen curtains to let in natural light. Style with books. Stick old books on side tables or shelves and top them with candles or small vases. Include country artwork, landscape paintings, floral prints, or handwritten cards work beautifully. Choose warm metal accents. Use brass, copper, or cast iron in handles, lamps, or trays for warmth. Add cozy corners. Create reading or tea corners with a comfy chair, cushion, drawer, and a small table. Decorate with trays. Wooden or metal trays help organize candles, jars, or flowers while keeping things steady. Embrace imperfection. Chipped paint, on wood, and handmade textures add show. Don't aim for perfection. Use from house inspired details. Think apron sinks, wooden cutting boards, hanging mugs, or wall hooks. Add scent to the space. Use natural scents like lavender, vanilla, cinnamon, or fresh herbs for a cozy cottage mood. Keep a soft, calm mood. Avoid bold, shiny, or harsh decor. Country cottage style should feel peaceful and comforting. Layer rugs for warmth. Combine sisal, jute, or wool rugs with softer patterned rugs on top for a lift-in cozy feel. Hang messenger lights. DIY lighting with messengers or vintage lanterns creates a warm, soft glow in kitchens or patios. Incorporate open beams. If possible, expose wooden beams on ceilings for that authentic cottage feel. Add rustic hooks. Use earth iron or wooden hooks for hanging cords, aprons, or hats, functional and decorative. Bring in a window seat. A cushioned window bench with pillows adds a perfect cozy reading nook. Display handmade ceramics, handmade mugs, bowls, and vases. Give a personal touch and cottage authenticity. Mix textures. Blend soft fabrics with rough texture like burlap, wood, stone, or wicker for depth. Choose soft, vintage-inspired bedding. Use quilts, patchwork blankets, linen sheets, and floral pillowcases in muted colors. cones in summer or pine cones in winter as table decor. Include a rustic clock. A wooden or metal wall clock adds charm and functionality. Use windows or repurposed furniture. Old cabinets, stools, or drawers can be painted or restored, perfect for unique storage solutions. Add soft throw and pillows. Layer multiple cushions and soft blankets on sofas and chairs to invite relaxation. Keep everyday items decorative. Let mugs, baskets, plates, or cookbooks act as decor while staying functional. Add wreaths or green garlands. Hang floral or greenery wreaths on doors, windows, or walls for a fresh, welcoming touch. Emphasize vertical space. Tall shelves, wall-mounted racks, or hanging pots make the room feel larger and styled. Keep furniture practical, comfort and style. Avoid overly stiff or ultra-modern furniture in cottage spaces. Use soft, diffused lighting. Table lamps, floor lamps, and fairy lights make spaces feel inviting in the evening. Showcase your collections. Display vintage teapots, pottery, or small antiques in groups. Cottage decor loves personality. Hang lace or crochet accents. Use lace table runners, dowlies, or crochet wall hangings for delicate cottage charm. Incorporate vintage suitcases. Stick old suitcases as side tables or storage. Thanks for watching the video.